Okay, how good is this 2016 Yamaha R3 on the highway? I'm about to answer the question right now. About to hop on 85. Bro, it's rush hour, man. I might not be able to get up to speed, but technically the speed limit would be about, you know, about 70. So let's see if we can get 70 and we'll see how it holds up. We're gonna answer the question. We're about to answer the question. Y'all gonna let me go? Can I switch? Come on, man. Let me go, bro. Let me go. Yeah. Alright, 70. I don't have my gloves. Don't worry about it. But we just want to see. I just want to answer that question. I know a lot of folks asking about this bike. Let's see if I can get up to at least 70, bro. And you're gonna do that by getting into the furthest most left lane. Alright, y'all. Alright, here we go. Okay. I'm all the way in the last gear. We're going about 63. We'll see if we can get to 70. Might not be able to get to 70. But you can see it's about 6,500 RPM. Oh yeah, we'll be able to do it here. Wait, well, probably not. Probably not. Yeah, probably, yeah. Left lane is where you go get it. 85, this is where you go get it. So I'm gonna shift up to 6. We're going 70. This thing is running about a little over 7 grand, if you can see. It's probably gonna be a little like 7.5, close to 9 when it comes to, when you probably get up to 85, I would say. And to me, to be honest, that's okay, right? You're kind of pushing it. You're definitely kind of pushing it when it comes to wearing out the engine a little bit, but it's not that bad. Like if it's 40 minutes to an hour, this thing ain't gonna hurt it. You know, 7,500 RPM for a little 40-minute hour drive is not gonna hurt at all. You don't hear the bike. Yeah, with the exhaust setup that I got, you don't really hear the bike. Like if the bike is screaming, yeah, you probably pushing it to the max. But this one is still, it's like almost borderline pushing it. It's not pushing it, but it's almost there. So is this, can you ride 75? We're about 75 right there, about 7,500 RPM, which I think it's okay to ride, you know what I'm saying? Daily, on the highway if you need to. Well, we're gonna see about, and like I said, 80 is pushing 9, right? So we're getting close to that. We're getting close. But you can still do this on the highway for a little 40-minute hour drive, okay? It's not, you know, it's good. You'll be fine. Just keep up with your, you know, your maintenance. That's all I gotta say.